Hey folks, Gary Bunzer, the RV Doctor, here again to extol some of the many benefits of the HepvO sanitary waste valve. In an earlier video, I mentioned a common complaint among RVers in any type of RV. It's sewer odors inside the RV. Nothing can be worse than entering a nice recreational vehicle only to be hit in the face with an overwhelming smell emanating from the holding tanks inside the RV. Many RVers and technical writers agree that sewer odor in the RV is the #1 complaint among RVers across the board. The problem can be easily traced to the P-traps located under the sinks, showers, tubs, and perhaps behind a clothes washer. This P-trap, the exact same trap used in residential and commercial buildings and apartments, becomes problematic when installed in an RV. First of all, RV waste plumbing is typically not used as much when compared to house or apartment plumbing. With a water seal required in a P-trap, periods of non-use or storage can allow the water to evaporate, permitting foul odor gases to enter the RV. Once this trap is dried out from evaporation, it's a free and clear pathway for vapors to permeate the entire interior of any RV. Another odor-related problem associated with P-traps is this air check vent, called an anti-siphon trap vent device, or ASTVD. It's a required component whenever a P-trap is installed in any RV. It's mounted 6 inches above the horizontal trap arm, as you can see here. It's connected to a short piece of pipe and cemented into an ABS T-fitting. The purpose of the ASTVD is to allow air to enter the waste plumbing system as a sink is draining. Without it, a sink full of water would simply go blub, blub, while it tries to gulp air while draining. But here's the problem with a check vent. Inside the vent is a spring-loaded rubber diaphragm. Over time, this membrane can dry out, crack, and remain stuck in the open position. The result is akin to having an open-ended pipe sticking up under there, a direct path for odors and contaminants to enter the RV. The installation of the HepvO valves removes the requirement for the ASTVD and permits the sinks to be connected directly into the piping system through the HepvO valve. Add HepvO, no more odors. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.